Up our voice good.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Dennis Kahn,
And I'm John Gackle.
and we're with On His Wings Mission Aviation. And we're here to show you the amazing thing that we've walked into here, the Bellanca aircraft factory that has been shut down for many, many years. I'm not sure of the year that they quit manufacturing airplanes, but almost last century. So we're going to show you an update, and we want to talk about On His Wings and the vision that we foresee. John, you're coming into this in a eyes completely shocked about what you're seeing in this building. Can you explain your thoughts?
Yeah, so this is my first time in this area of the building, and you can just pan around a little bit and show the folks what we've got here. This is an old manufacturing plant, and it's been out of use for many, many years. Up to 400 employees used to work in this facility. And this is just a small part of it. The airplane that you see behind me is obviously a modern day project that's underway. My understanding is there's one individual that's working in this facility at this time.
Yeah.
Randy, and I'm just shell shocked at the amount of stuff that is here, the disorganization, but obviously things are happening, and this individual, obviously very meticulous and good at what he does, and my thoughts just go to the potential. The potential for this area, this space, and what does God have in store? I got involved with On His Wings Mission Aviation through conversation with Dennis. And in my view, there are Christians and there are Spirit-filled Christians. Dennis strikes me as a man who is Spirit-filled. And what does that mean? Someone who is Spirit-filled walks in the Spirit and lives in the Spirit, abides in the Spirit. And when Dennis approached me about his vision for On His Wings Mission Aviation, about building a flight school, a flight academy that includes teaching pilots to fly and become mission pilots, just pushing the gospel around the world and across the world, reaching souls, lost souls for his kingdom. But now I'm seeing that vision includes so much more. And for example, taking this area right here and turning it into a place where young people can come and not just learn to be aviators, but to be pilots, but to be machinists and mechanics and all at the same time living out a life that brings glory to God's kingdom. Dennis, if we could pause now and maybe just step into